Scene: a vibrant restaurant atmosphere filled with the delightful clinks of cutlery and the murmur of satisfied diners. The camera zooms in on Kumar, a charismatic F&B trainer, leading a group of eager staff members through a dynamic training session. Narrator: step into the world of hospitality excellence with Kumar, the maestro of F&B training. In the realm where every smile, every interaction, and every dish served is an art form, Kumar's training is the secret ingredient that transforms ordinary service into extraordinary experiences. Cut to shots of Kumar engaging with the staff, his passion for hospitality evident in every gesture and expression. Narrator: with Kumar's guidance, your staff doesn't just learn, they thrive. His wealth of experience and boundless enthusiasm infuse every training session, empowering your team to deliver service that dazzles and delights. The camera captures the staff members hanging on Kumar's every word, their eyes bright with anticipation as they absorb his wisdom. Narrator: from mastering the nuances of wine pairing to perfecting the rhythm of table service, Kumar's training covers every aspect of F&B with finesse and flair. Cut to testimonials from restaurant owners and managers, their faces alight with gratitude. Owner 2: thanks to Kumar's training, our restaurant has become synonymous with impeccable service and unforgettable dining experiences. Manager 2: the impact on our team has been incredible. They've not only elevated their skills, but also their passion for hospitality. Back to scenes of staff members practicing their newfound skills under Kumar's watchful eye, their confidence growing with each interaction. Narrator: but Kumar's training doesn't just elevate your service, it transforms your entire operation. From boosting efficiency to fostering a culture of excellence, the ripple effects are felt in every corner of your restaurant. Cut to shots of staff members sharing laughter and camaraderie, united by their shared commitment to excellence. Narrator: investing in Kumar's training isn't just an expense, it's an investment in the soul of your business. Join him on the journey to culinary greatness, where every dish tells a story and every guest feels like royalty. Closing shot of the restaurant, alive with the buzz of happy patrons and the graceful dance of staff members delivering service with passion and precision. Narrator: experience the transformative power of Kumar's F&B training and watch your restaurant shine brighter than ever before.